Welcome back. We are back in the paint booth, staying pretty consistent here. Got a number of these crawl patterns we're going to do, recreating some of my older patterns. They're going to look a little bit different, but incorporating the same kind of colors, just adding a few different things. It's going to change up that pattern just a little bit. So, crawl pattern, spray session, come join me. Okay, we got a Norman deep little end, got it base coated just a plain white, and we're now going to start laying in our colors, and kind of like the previous videos, I'm kind of starting with a little bit of yellow, but we're not going to be doing any on the belly. Okay, so we're going to lay some of this in just lightly, randomly in spots here. Just going real light. Need to go back to that yellow and add it on the top. And most of these baits, what I've been trying to do is pick out something that's got 3 colors in it. And so for our third color on this old Lunker series, lay a little brown over the top of that. And then we're going to do some splatter on the belly. Let's see, I always want get a little tip dry. And obviously this one's going to be staying with our stained water. don't know how long it's been since I've done this color combo, but we're bringing it back out. Lunker Craw. I've got it in the zombie series. I know, and years ago I used to do it in a pattern similar to this, but not with the colors in the location that they're at. Got a little overspray in that, but it ain't gonna matter. We're gonna do a little splatter over the top of it. So let's find our brown for our little splatter. Let's go lower than that. Down there about 10. It's pretty good splatter. Can you still see me? Yeah. It's good enough. I like it. Do a little quick heat set on it. Add a black eye. Alright. This is known as the Lunker Craw, and we're kind of doing it in our glow tracer tail. I don't know, what do y'all want to call this? It kind of gives them a target, so target tail, crawl target tail series. How about that? I don't know, guys. I'm not real great at all the names, so give you a good look at that without clear coat. I like the fact that we're leaving a little bit of the white colors that went into this. All these are iridescent yellow, iridescent turquoise. Then we've got just a light brown and black for our crawl markings. And we came back over the top with a little brown splatter. So, guys, if you will, I get a lot of people watching videos, but I appreciate the thumbs up. If you remember to do that. If you like the video, for sure smash that. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to try to stay on top of the content, and I'm going to get quite a few done while I've got time before the busy work starts up. So until next week, Green Country Baits, we're signing out.